Hello, Nathan. This is Francisco from Amplified Digital Marketing. I spoke with Becca last Friday, and I had promised that I would send you guys a free video going over your website and doing a website audit. So I'm going to jump right to it. Looking at your website, what I look for is content. Do you guys have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content with keywords? Content includes pictures, right? Are these pictures, are they optimized with keywords? Do they have meta tags, meta descriptions? And if not, then that's something that I would definitely look into. Once again, a keyword like this right here, heating and cooling in Pensacola. A keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. Right, your content and the keywords can be placed throughout your website. And what you want to be doing is telling Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. Okay, so that's the keywords. Going over here to my tool called Ahrefs. This tool helps you understand how your website is doing and how well it's being ranked for and what keywords you're ranking for. So I'm going to jump over to this category here. This is your strength or your authority score, and then this is your trustworthy score. And you got some really great scores, Nathan. So great job on that. And then this right here, this is your backlinks. You have currently over 4,000 backlinks with 653 referring domains. That's big time. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others and basically vouching for you. Okay, it's literally like a popularity contest. The most, right, more so, the most with backlinks tends to win. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, so it's worth noting that you want relevant and strong backlinks like this, right, with strong DR and strong UR that are particularly in your industry. But if you're getting backlinks, right, that are, for example, from a pizzeria pointing back at you, could hinder your scores. Now, the third thing I want to go here, which is this section, the organic keywords. Okay, so you're ranking for quite a bit. Now, are those keywords, though, are you ranking in particular with buyer intent keywords? So looking right away, duct cleaning, Pensacola, this is really good because when this tends to happen, these are people that are truly needing your services, okay, and these are people that could more likely to buy from you or buy your services or contract your services. Okay, so that's what I look at right away. Let's go over to your competition. How are these guys doing, right? Which is Boutwell's Air. And if we look at here, once again, I look at their content, their pictures, exactly what we did on your website. Let's see how strong they're doing. And if you look at here, they're not doing so strong. They don't have a lot of backlinks, but they do have 1.9 amount of organic keywords. Now, coming here, let's see what keywords they're ranking for and what are their positions, which I'm going to go over. I want to go over this keyword, AC repair. The reason why is because look at the volume. Volume is the amount of people that are searching for this particular keyword every single month, and it's 250 people. Okay, so that's huge. Their position is number 2. Let's go back to yours and let's see where you're currently being ranked for, or if you even are ranking for that word. So let's find out. And currently right now, look, AC repair, this is a huge amount. The reason why is because you want these volumes to be high. You're currently ranked number 2. You lost 2 positions. So remember, these are buyer intent keywords. So you want to have these because imagine being able to rank higher for just these two, right? 350 people, add these two together. The potential of how much more clients you could be getting. The last thing I want to go over, sticking with the same keyword, right? If people were to type this in, remember 250 people search for this, what happens? So one, this section here is the Google guarantee or the Google ads section, as well as here, certain companies pay to be on these sections, but every time you click on them or you call them, they get charged what is called a CPC, a click per cost. And the third section here is the Google My Business page. These guys right here, so 30 to 40% come from your Google My Business page. And the way to continue ranking this higher is getting reviews, responding to those reviews, updating your Google My Business page or GMB with photos that are optimized with keywords, updating your GMB with updates about your business, things like that, amongst other things, tend to help increase your rankings. And then these are just your organic rankings. Okay, people that tend to just rank organically with their with what they do with their SEO. And look, bounce wells there's here. Anyhow, Nathan, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. If you have more questions or want to learn more on how your website is currently doing and what you can do to continue getting ranked higher for these buyer intent keywords, please shoot an email back, respond back to this email, and we can talk further. And I would also like some feedback, right? Want some feedback, see what you thought, and we'll talk soon. Okay, Nathan, thank you.